In this video, we'll be looking at a couple of different ways to create line work in the Trimble Business Center software from point cloud data. Ultimately, those lines could be used to create finished maps within the TBC software itself, or exported out as a DXF or DWG to be used in other third-party software. What I've done so far is I've created a Trimble Business Center project, and I've actually saved that. I've given it a name up top here. And then what I've done is I've imported some raw scan data. In this case, it's from an SX10 scanning total station. This happens to be from our store in Scottsdale, Arizona. Some of you may recognize the mural out on the side. I'm looking at this in a 3D view right now. And because we collected a panorama mosaic of photos with the SX10, that enables the software to colorize those scans, so I'm looking at a true color view. I also have a plan view that's available to me, and on my screen I've opened up the Project Explorer pane on the left-hand side, and docked next to that I've got the View Filter Manager, which will allow me to toggle things on and off. So I've brought in this scan data, I've saved my project, and I've also registered some scans, made sure that all of my data is complete and has a coordinate basis. And I'm pretty much ready to go. So to begin with, what I want to do is I sort of want to define my project area. A lot of times when we're doing scans, there's quite a bit of extra data that extends well beyond our main project interest. So I'm going to do what Trimble calls creating a region. At the bottom of my screen, I've got a little square rectangle select option. I've also got a polygon select. Just to show you how it works, I think I'm going to grab this polygon select tool, and I'm going to create a box around my area of interest. So I'm holding down my mouse button right now. I'm going to go ahead and release it, and then I'm going to go ahead and just kind of click on a couple of things. Oh, let's just go ahead and we'll just click this area. And I'm just trying to outline kind of an area of interest that I might want to work with. So I'm going to double click here to seal the deal. You'll see this turn orange inside the box. And I'm going to call this my area of interest. So up here on the Point Clouds tab, I'm going to go ahead and select Create Region. And I'm going to give this region a name. I guess maybe I'll just call it Area of Interest. And I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. What that's going to allow me to do is going to now allow me to isolate that. So here in my View Filter Manager, if I scroll up and scroll down, you'll see a category called Point Cloud Regions. I have my original default region, and I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that, leaving my area of interest.